Hello, this is RCSchim. Welcome to my new episode. I played a lot with Gopro3 Slowmotion mode. I chose the 720p with 120 frames and make 1 second into 4 seconds. And you can see that the models really look nice in slow motion.
Hey, the big
Okay, so that were the slow-mos. I hope you enjoyed them. So I'm sitting in front of my models that I'm currently flying. Yeah, not all of them. The middle one, the tricopter, is just a legacy model. I flew really a lot of it, had a lot of fun. Tried it with the KK2 port, but I guess the motors or the ESCs are quite done on this model, so I will have to rebuild it. And currently I'm more busy with flying the KK2 power quad over there and my Discovery, which really works nice. And my last update on these other two models, I changed the radio and the video settings systems. The Discovery now has 5.8 gigahertz. So I changed it from the power quad to the Discovery and vice versa. So the power quad is now ready for some long range high speed action, which I'm hoping to get some nice shots soon. It has the 2.4 gigahertz antenna and it has the Shera long range system. So the last clip will hopefully answer the question, is the KK2 with powerful motors capable of flying in high winds or will it fail? I met up with Pöli. Hi Pöli. Go check out his channel, he makes nice videos. I met with Pöli to have some flying action, but it was terribly high winds. But being there, I just wanted to start up the machine and fly it line of sight. Just see how it worked out. So as you see, the KK2 is quite capable. Of course, aerial footage is shaky and won't make a good video, but yeah, you can have FPV action, you can have team flying action even if it's windy, so that's a nice option. I'm really impressed by the KK2, considering its cost of only $30, and maybe that's the reason why it's sold out. Okay, so thanks for watching this episode. Tell me what you think about my moderation. Should I leave it out? Are the voice comments enough? Yeah, just leave me some comments and let me know what I can improve. Yeah, and lately I did only a video every 2 weeks. I have a lot of footage and material, but I don't want to get it boring, so I spend some extra time in editing the nicer scenes out. Leave a comment down below. Read the description. I always put links to interesting stuff in the description. Put links to my quadcopters that I use in the videos. Yeah. Subscribe if you didn't. Thanks for watching. Bye.